Hey guys, welcome to my channel Lovely Looks by Nancy, and today we know that it's really hot, yeah. So let's talk about couple of do's and don'ts to do on a really hot day like today, and we know that next 3 days gonna be, again 30 plus. So couple of do's and don'ts, for the really hot day. So the first thing we have to keep in mind is that we are hydrated enough. So the drinks like carbonated drinks like Pepsi, Coke, they are very lucrative, because they help us instantly when it comes to help us, for the thirst. So we have to then deliberately look for the options, like how we can avoid drinking these carbonated, all these soft drinks, and how we can replace that with the healthy drinks. So it can be like fresh juice, coconut water, or even the plain water. It can be lemonade, and if you feel like, you can put some ice cubes in that. So they keep you hydrated, your body hydrated enough for longer hours, rather than having a cold drink and after a couple of minutes that you feel that thirsty, sensation again. The other thing, you have to make sure that when you're going out, so first of all, try to be inside as much as you can. But if you're going out, because of any reason, so please make sure that you are putting enough sunscreen on. The other thing you can do is you can put your sun hat on. So these are the things which will help you at least to avoid that sun damage. The sunscreen which you are using, please make sure that that is at least SPF 50 plus, so that it can you give enough coverage, and it can give you the coverage for the longer time. The another thing in the sun, the hot day, you have to make sure that we all urge for, taking our summer clothes out. We feel like, oh my god, let's go for cut sleeve tops or t-shirts, for the boys, or going with the shorts, or maybe dresses for the girls. Yes, we all feel like that, but I have one tip for you which I usually follow in the summertime. Try to cover your body as much as you can, because the more exposed body you have to the sun, and there are likely chances to, for that skin to be damaged. Because I've seen myself wearing shorts couple of times, even in the car when we are driving, and the sun is coming from the windscreen, and I feel that, the sun is coming on my legs, and later on I feel that, my legs are burnt or they are sun damaged. So that is another thing. And definitely cook fruits, fresh fruits. You can, add, I mean, the fruits needs to be added in your day-to-day diet anyway, but on the hot days, so you can have more fruits. The fruits like watermelon, rock melon, grapes, all these fruits are really good, and they give you enough content of hydration, and with enough water content, you will not be feeling, that thirst urge anymore, right? Hope these tips helped you, and yeah, keep follow them and see how it works. And of course, you can add you can have flavored water like, mint. You can add lemon. So all these things will also help you, in a very hot and sunny day. So yeah, and please like my video, leave your comments, and please share your experience. If there is anything else which you also do to keep yourself, safe in the hot days, or looking forward to these ideas. Yeah, till then, bye, take care guys, enjoy your day.